Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Tawana. The name of my channel is TMJ Home and Decor. On my channel, I share home decorating, cleaning motivation, and organization videos. If there's content that you would love to see, please stay and subscribe and become a part of the Johnson family. In today's video, I will be cleaning the bathtub, the sink, wiping down the fixtures, sweeping and mopping. If you are interested in seeing what I'll be doing, just keep on watching. If you are new here, welcome. I appreciate you, girl. So let's get into the video. Hope you enjoy it. Here are the cleaning supplies we'll be using in today's video. We have the Scrub Daddy, my favorite, Mr. Clean Metals and Rain, the Dawn Power Wash, the Ajax Bleach, and the Clorox Disinfectant Wipes. So let's get into this video. Service Jewels. I sling $8 bling. I will put my link in the description of this video. Today's video was all about cleaning motivation. I hope you got motivated to clean the space in your home. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon in the next one.